my guy takes fucking all day just to fucking shove that dirt from one side of the road to the other.
Yeah, he does.
Kind of swear he just did that shit yesterday.
Yeah.
These donuts from 7-Eleven are the bomb. They remind me of Girl Scout cookies. Ryan, I'm still trying to figure out why I went to the other side of my truck.
I don't know.
I don't either. Whatever. God damn you! Did you fucking do that? Oh my God.